Looking for affordable travel destinations in 2024? Well, you're in the right place. We've curated a list of the top 10 wallet-friendly places that should be on your travel itinerary this year. So, buckle up and prepare to add some new destinations to your bucket list. At number 10 we have beautiful Bali. With its verdant rice terraces, ancient temples, and world-class surf spots, this Indonesian island offers a blend of culture and adventure that's hard to resist. You can enjoy a delicious meal for less than the price of a cup of coffee back home. Next up, at number 9, we journey to the heart of Central Europe to Prague. This city is a paradise for history buffs, with its well-preserved medieval architecture and rich history. Indulge in mouth-watering Czech cuisine without breaking the bank. Eighth on our list is the vibrant city of Buenos Aires, Argentina. Known as the Paris of South America, this city is a melting pot of cultures offering a unique blend of European and Latin American vibes. Enjoy a tango show, visit colorful neighborhoods, and savor the world-famous Argentine steak on a shoestring budget. Coming in at number 7 is the majestic Kathmandu, Nepal. This city is a gateway to the Himalayas for mountaineers from around the world. Here, you can immerse yourself in a rich spiritual culture, explore ancient temples, and sample local Nepalese cuisine without straining your wallet. At number 6, we find ourselves in the bustling city of Ho Chi Minh, Vietnam. This city is a perfect mix of the old and the new, with its French colonial landmarks alongside sleek skyscrapers. Street food here is a culinary delight and unbelievably cheap. Halfway through our list at number 5 is the picturesque city of Porto, Portugal. Known for its stately bridges and port wine production, this city offers amazing value for money, from affordable accommodations to reasonably priced seafood. Fourth on our list is the captivating Istanbul, Turkey. Straddling Europe and Asia, Istanbul offers a unique blend of cultures. Visit bustling bazaars, marvel at the splendid architecture, and indulge in flavorful Turkish cuisine, all while keeping your budget intact. Our top 3 begins with the vibrant city of Marrakesh, Morocco. At number 3, this city is a feast for the senses. Explore the bustling souks, visit the historic Medina, and treat your taste buds to delicious Moroccan cuisine without spending a fortune. At number 2 we have the charming city of Sofia, Bulgaria. One of the most affordable cities in Europe, Sofia offers a rich history, beautiful parks, and delicious Balkan cuisine. It's a hidden gem that promises a memorable experience without breaking the bank. And finally, at number 1 we have the beautiful and affordable city of Chiang Mai, Thailand. Known for its stunning temples, night bazaars, and mouth-watering street food, Chiang Mai offers the quintessential Thai experience on a budget. And there you have it, the top 10 affordable travel destinations in 2024. Each of these places offers unique experiences and cultures, proving that you don't have to empty your bank account to see the world. So, dust off your passport, pack your bags, and start planning your next adventure.